These are the nights that never die. My father told me.
Hi everyone, my name is Pradol and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the studio tour. It's taken us a long time to put this studio together, but I really like how this looks. It's very different as compared to my home. If you haven't seen my home tour, I'll link it down below. That has a very calming and very minimal sort of a vibe. This is basically the opposite. I've gone all out and it's almost like a maximalist style, especially in the living room. Now with the living room, I wanted to create different sets so that I can shoot with different backgrounds. So all of them don't really go together if you go to see interior design wise, but that was not the point. The point was to create different sort of setups for me. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the living room, the 2 bedrooms and the kitchen. The 3rd bedroom I will be sharing with you guys in a separate video because that is a work in progress. That's Aditya's room. So you're going to have to wait to see what that room looks like. Okay, so let's get started with our tour. Starting off with the entryway. Right in front of me is the main door. For the entryway, we've kept it very simple, but we do have this accent wall. So these posters I've gotten from Amazon. Basically, they're different country postcards. It just looks very nice and it's like a pop of color as soon as you enter. Then we also have a mirror so that you can kind of look at yourself. It's actually an IKEA mirror that we've painted in this deep green color. We have a shoe rack and then we have this cactus right here. I know I'm gonna get comments about this cactus. I always get comments. It's a fake cactus, by the way, guys. It's plastic ka, so no problem right here. It's very heavy duty. I've had this for years and it just looked very nice in the entryway. Now let's move on to the living room. Okay, so as you can see, we've gone for a very dark forest vibe almost. Now this is a IKEA Billy shelf. I believe it's called the bookshelf, and we've painted it a dark green. Asian Paints ka ye shade hai. If I can find the shade, I'll link it down below. But we've tried to kind of use what we already have, paint it, add knobs to it and refresh it in a way wherein we didn't have to buy new things. So this is a little display shelf of sorts. I've kind of tried to display a few different things in the shades of white, brown or green. So we have stuff that is actually useful. So we have a bunch of coasters right here. We have some candles, and then right here down we have a blanket. So in case someone gets cold, we have that. And then we also have a cute little stool which anyone can pull to sit on if need be. It's a little chaotic, I will say that, but as I mentioned, we are going for a maximalist vibe. Moving on, right here we have these cute little 2 chairs which were actually purple before, if you remember. We've gotten the cover changed to this beautiful corduroy green color. Love the fabric. I think it looks so nice. And then piche we've added 2 artworks which can keep changing, but right now I got this one made, which is 777, and then What a Wonderful World, of course. And then we have a fake plant right here which is from Mason Homes. I've explained myself before also. I used to always have real plants, but they would always die on me and I'm always traveling, so I think a fake plant makes more sense. Let's move on to this side right here. So we have some blackout curtains that I got from Amazon, actually really good quality. I'll link them down below just like everything else. But blackout curtains are great because if I'm trying to shoot and if I don't want the outside natural light to interfere, it's great. Then right here we have this beautiful wallpaper, very forest vibes. I love it. It has a flamingo. It has 2 monkeys, which are my favorite. And then lots of haryali. I love it. It looks so pretty. And then we have the couch right here, which again you've seen, it matches perfectly with the 2 chairs that you just saw. Again in the corduroy material. This time deliberately not a lot of cushions, just 1. I didn't want to clutter the space because there's already so much going on piche. And then we have a lamp right here which is from IKEA. It somehow just matched the vibe perfectly. One thing that I have to show you before we move on is the leg massager at the side. Now this is a big hit amongst everyone. So this is the Agaro's foot, leg and calf massager. So this has 3 automatic modes. It has 3 manual modes. It feels like an actual person is massaging your leg. There's kneading, there's rolling, there's heat, there's vibration. It feels So good and so relaxing. So that's our living room. To kind of tie it all together, I really wanted to have a rug because a rug adds so much warmth and so much comfort to a space. So we have a rug. I'm playing it really risky because it's a white off-white rug, and my friends come here at least once a week and there's always stuff that's spilled. So I'm playing a risk with this carpet right here. But we also have a center table which we've had for 3+ years, which I got from Amazon. It's so sturdy. Right now I've painted it to match the cabinet. Don't totally love it. We'll change it eventually once it breaks. Now, moving on from the green dark aesthetic to this pink aesthetic. As I mentioned earlier, it's not supposed to be cohesive. It's supposed to be like two different sets, right? So this is kind of like our work area almost. Let's start with this right here, okay? Now this was not a part of the design. This was something that my friends did for my birthday, and it stayed for two reasons. Number one, it looks cute. Number two, if I try to take it off, the wall, the puppety literally comes out with it. So for now, this is gonna stay. I don't mind it. It looks cute. This right here, we have the kitchen. We'll go to the kitchen in a bit. And then moving on to our little work area, we have two frames right here, again in the pink and red aesthetic. And then this is our table right here. I believe this is like a dining table almost, which we're using as our study table. It opens, it closes, it's very useful. Yahan pe one person could sit. I don't sit here. I prefer sitting on the couch with my laptop. And then this is where usually Madhura sits or Aditya sits. And then we have our iMac right here. It doesn't move. It's not portable, obviously. So this is where it sits. Ye hai hamara locker, which we've had for a while. This used to be purple, if you remember. We've gotten this again painted to match the aesthetics. And we also added these cute little heart knobs that we got from Amazon to like add to the vibe. Now this basically holds all of our stuff for like videos, or it holds actually a lot of PR and giveaway stuff, and everything is organized so well. So this entire thing is the skincare section. So in case we need to find stuff, it's always easier. This is makeup right here, so on and so forth. You get it. Parcels get opened and then we put it where it belongs. So talking about storage, other than this, we also have this huge trunk right here wherein we store all of our board games. We have quite a collection of board games and we love playing board games. So this sits right here because it's super handy. We can pick board games and then take it to the living room. Then we have a air purifier. This is the Agaro's Imperial Air Purifier. They very kindly sent this over. So this is a 7-stage purification system. It has 3-speed settings, so you can adjust it according to your liking. It also has a timer adjustment. My favorite feature about this is the air quality indicator, so you can actually see the quality of the air you're breathing. Okay, so we're back to the kitchen right here. Now for the kitchen, we haven't really done much. We've kept it simple, but we've tried to make it look pretty. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so coincidentally, the color of the kitchen matches our living room perfectly. It's a very similar tone of green, which I really like. And then for the backsplash, we've gotten these tiles, which I've showed you in a previous vlog. These were for like 99 rupees per piece. And we've covered the entire back, and I really like how it looks. Even like in real life, it looks quite nice. Now, we don't have a lot of things in the kitchen because I don't cook here. If you don't already know, in this very building, Aditya ka bhi ghar hai aur mera bhi ghar hai. So if we need to eat, we go upstairs. Our lunch, dinner, everything is upstairs. This is just for like utility. So we have this induction right here, which by the way, we haven't even used once, but it's there in case we need it. And then we have my coffee machine right here. I've never had a coffee machine before. This is the first time ever that I have a coffee machine. And what I love about this kitchen is the amount of storage that it has. Right here, niche, there is so much storage. And when I say storage, it's not kitchen stuff. We have a lot of filming related stuff. So we have our props. We have a lot of backdrop options. All of that is like stored nicely underneath here. On the other side of the kitchen, we have our little hydration corner wherein all of our water bottles are kept, and then we have a little matka from IKEA. I have my kettle, which I use literally every single day, at least once a day. We have our snacks pantry situation, which has both healthy but mostly junk food. And of course, thoda sa kitchen ka bhi saman hai. So we have a drawer full of mugs because I love mugs. We have lots and lots of glasses of different kinds. Hai, thoda sa kitchen ka actually सामान है यहाँ पे. छोटे छोटे spices like miniature spices, छोटा सा घी, Like basic, very, very basic stuff that I maybe could need is right here. Next to the fridge, we have my most favorite gadget. So this is the Agaro Supreme Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Now this comes with a bunch of different attachments. My favorite one has to be the motorized brush attachment. I have been using this non-stop. My carpet is 1 month old. I did not know that it could collect so much dust in just 1 month. This can also be used as a handheld vacuum cleaner. All you need to do is remove the stick and it becomes super small and compact. You can see all the dust right here. So this comes with a 0.5 liter bagless dust collecting bin. It somehow is so satisfying to look at all the dirt that you've collected. We're here in the hallway. Now the hallway, my room number 1 is Aditya's room, which is an absolute mess. So we're not gonna go in here. You're gonna have to wait probably till October. This room should be ready by then. Then we have room number 2, my most favorite room in the room. I'm definitely biased towards this room. If you haven't seen the entire tour, go and check it out. This is my walk-in wardrobe right here. The master bedroom is the walk-in wardrobe, of course. Then here we have the common washroom. This has the washing machine, all the utility stuff. Piche wale room mein, you haven't seen your piche wala room. This room is very calming. It's very neutral. Let me take you in here. As soon as you enter this room, you feel a sense of calm. Now the idea with this room was that number 1, this room has the best lighting, especially the sunset. There's like golden hour light that comes into this room. So which is why I wanted to keep this room very, very neutral, very simple. If it was left up to me, I would decorate the entire studio in this neutral vibe because I love this boho neutral vibe. But I feel like I also really like color. So I feel like this studio kind of shows all aspects of me in a way. This room we also call our art room because this stores a lot of our art supplies. It stores a lot of our camera equipment, which is obviously art. So actually, let me take you through what's in here. So these actually are IKEA Malm chest of drawers, which were white. We've painted them in this beautiful nude color almost. And then we've added these handles from Amazon. I think it's so easy to upcycle your already existing furniture by slapping some paint on it, changing their knobs. Let me show you everything that we store here. This one I'm not going to open because this has all of my like memory stuff, Polaroids and different things that I collect from trips. This one has all of my journals, my notebooks, my planner. Planner's coming soon. Of course, like every year. And then here we have again more stuff, like all of my previous planners, our artworks, all of that stays here. This is where we store all of our art supplies. So first drawer has all of the art supplies. So we have a lot of beads and shells and all of those like DIY equipment. More DIY equipment, there are spray paint, there are brushes, sketch pens, etc. Again, more paper, more paint, art related stuff. I really want to like have a day in the week wherein I just like sit here and I like paint stuff. And then the last 3 drawers, we basically have a lot of equipment. So like wires, chargers, different cameras, mics, Polaroid films, etc. So of course had to add a lot of decor, right? So I added this wooden shelf, which I got from Bandra, and then these candle stands. Candle stands ke piche actually there's lavender mist which I keep spraying in this room because the vibe of this room is so like calming. So I love like lavender smelling stuff in this room specifically. So we have that. Then we have this nude vase with 2 kinds of pampas. Someone told me actually a really cool fact that if you spray a pampas with hairspray, it doesn't like fly everywhere. I need to try that out, but I had to like share that with you guys. Then we have like more nude and like neutral colored stuff. So this is a mirror, and then we have a frame. So basically this was an artwork from a flower company, which I thought was just so beautiful. So I framed it right here. And then ye kone mein we have my lamp, which I've DIY'd with these fringes. It's from Amazon. Again, upcycled it. And then we have this backdrop right here. Now this chair again is from Bandra. I'll link the shop where I got it from. It's such a beautiful piece, and I knew this belonged in this bohemian room. And then we have my ladder, which again I've had for years, painted in the same color as our chest of drawers. And then I've added a throw right here just to add to that coziness. And then in the center of the room, we also have a big jute carpet to add that warmth and just tie the whole room together. And then we have this corner right here, the last part of the room. It's a very cute, cozy corner. We've had this gadda for years again. It used to be in like an emerald green color. Got the covers changed to this terracotta color to like go with the vibe of this room. It's again great utility wise. If in case someone stays over, this is like a proper gadda. It's very comfortable. People can sleep on it. And then clearly we need a lot of storage. So we have another trunk which stores a lot of our stuff. And if you remember this artwork, this was made by my mom, dad and I. And it sits here. I have to say, this has quickly become like a favorite room of mine. I love this room. I actually can't really pick. Like, I really like the living room also. Of course, I love the walk-in. The walk-in is still at number 1. I'm very happy with the way the kitchen also looks and this room as well. With that, we've come towards the end of today's video. But before we end today's video, cue today's giveaway. Okay, let me know in the comments down below what you thought about this studio, which is your favorite part of the studio, which room in specific. Let me know. I'm very excited to know what you think. That's it. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.